Hi guys, if you have such a beautiful keyboard, maybe your favorite one, and over time the letters start wearing off, the keyboard is getting difficult to be used. The question is, what can you do? In the past I've been trying to use such markers, but it always failed. The prints which I've made on the keyboard just last a couple of days, and after that I had to dispose the keyboard and buy a new one, but there's a much better solution now. And so we have now these keyboard stickers. For example, here I have an English set. It's very easy to use. You can just clean the keyboard and then put it on, and then they can last very long, even longer than the original one. So I'm going to show you how this works. And so here we have this set from Softamm, black English, easy to open. And of course we don't have to use all of them. The package is resealable. So we take it out, including the cleaning kit. So get this nice towel, cleaning brush, tweezers, and the set comes even with 2 layers for each letter. You can open it easily here, pull it out. We can see that the stickers are bendable. That can be very helpful if you have a keyboard with keycaps which have natural shape. Like here we have it also a little bit, so it can really nicely adapt to the shape of the keycaps. And so of course we give it a nice clean with the brush first, and then we are using the microfiber towel, and then we lift off the key which we need. Make sure that you're just lifting off the key and not the protection. The best is to use even the tweezers, so you're not compromising the sticky glue on the back. By the way, here also nice to see that the J and the F, they have this gap here, because usually we have these dots to align the fingers. And so we align it properly and push it fully down. Release it here. Give it a little bit an extra push so it's nicely sticking. Yeah, absolutely awesome. You can't see anything regarding the color. Of course, it's not perfectly aligned with every keyboard. Depends on the existing letters, but it's very, very nicely visible. I have here even same color for the letters, and it sticks really, really nicely. And when I type here, I can't feel any difference. Exactly same thing as before. Yeah, that's absolutely amazing, and I can rub as much as I want. The J is not going away, and maybe after years, if I need new one, I can use this one here. So it's absolutely awesome. Doesn't get any better than that. Full recommendation from my side. So you can buy this set directly here from Amazon, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.